Want to use Waze to stay updated with real-time traffic alerts while you drive? In this video, I'll show you how to use Waze for live traffic information step by step. First, open the Waze app and enter your destination. Tap Go to start navigation. As you drive, Waze automatically monitors traffic conditions along your route and can alert you about slowdowns, crashes, hazards, road closures, and other incidents. To customize these alerts, tap the menu icon, select Settings, then tap Alerts and Reports. Choose Reports and select the type of alert you want. You can turn on Show on Map to see alerts visually, or Alert while driving to receive a voice notification and an on-screen alert. Waze may not show every report since it prioritizes alerts based on your route and other factors. Always stay focused on the road and follow traffic laws. And that's how to use Waze for real-time traffic alerts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.